Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of pesky flying insects ruining your indoor space? The Zevo flying insect trap is here to change that. This smart device uses blue and UV light to attract and catch house flies, fruit flies, gnats, and other flying pests, providing continuous attraction day and night. The result is a significant reduction in flying insects, making your home a more comfortable and peaceful space. One of the key benefits of the Zevo flying insect trap is its no-mess adhesive cartridge, which works like a bug-sticky trap, holding trapped insects hidden on the wall-facing adhesive pad, making it easy to dispose of when it's time to replace. The cartridge is also quiet and odor-free, making it a discreet option for everyday use in kitchens, living rooms, and bathrooms. The Zevo flying insect trap is well reviewed by many customers who have found it to be an effective solution for indoor flying insect control. Its spray-free, zap-free design makes it a smart choice for families, pet owners, and households looking for a safe and quiet way to control small flying insects. The device is also easy to use, with a blinking blue light that reminds you to check the cartridge every 6 weeks, ensuring that you stay on top of insect control. In real-life use, the Zevo flying insect trap has proven to be a game-changer, providing a simple and effective way to catch flying insects without the hassle of traditional traps. Its compact design makes it easy to place in any room, and its continuous attraction ensures that you can enjoy a pest-free space all day and night. Overall, the Zevo flying insect trap is a great solution for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use indoor flying insect trap, and with its many benefits and features, it's no wonder it's a popular choice among many customers. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.